नमस्कार, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Now we'll move ahead with the next figures of speech, and that is metonymy. What is metonymy? Metonymy means a word or a phrase that explains entire existence of something. That is known as metonymy. When a word or a phrase stands for the entire existence of something, someone, of concerned idea, whatsoever it is, that is known as metonymy. One example I'll give you: the bench accepted the argue where we are sitting in the classroom. That's a bench. That bench is not here. The bench is equal to SIT, Special Investigation Team. That will be made with 2, 3, 5, 10 judges. That a cluster of judges is known as the bench. For them the word is used, the bench, so that it is accepted. Who accepted? All the judges. All the judges accepted the argument of someone, whatsoever it is. Leave it. The bench is not with the bench where we are sitting. Got the idea? That is metonymy. The king made frightened all with roaring. Here the word roaring is different. King will not roar. King will not roar. But the king is equal to the lion. And lion is the king of entire jungle. So that we are concerned here with the situation of the jungle. That is explained here. And that is why it is the example of metonymy. Few songs also we are having. मेरी सांसों में तुम, मेरे ख्वाबों में तुम. सांसों में तुम, total existence. मेरे ख्वाबों में तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम. ख्वाबों, imaginary idea. सांस, real idea. In my imaginary idea as well as in my total existence, you are everywhere. To explain it, it is told, मेरे ख्वाबों में तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम. In real sense, if you will think, in swas, in breathing, not in breathing. रहे सलामत मेरा सजना और सजना का आंगन. मेरा सजना सलामत रहे और उसका आंगन भी सलामत रहे. What is the meaning of that? The meaning of that one is equal to my total existence will be with the right mode, with the total happiness of heaven with my beloved. That is the meaning of that. रहे सलामत मेरा सजना और सजना का आंगन. And we will keep 3, 5, 10 soldiers in veranda with gun. Dishum, dishum. That is not the meaning. Meaning is with the metonymy. Got the idea? This is what you want to explain when you are reading a word, when you are using a word, reading a word, writing a word, and that explains the total existence of something different. That is the valuation, that is the identity of metonymy. This is what here is explained in both the examples. Got the idea? I'll give you time for 3 to 5 seconds to have a screenshot with the same. Have it. Write it. We'll move ahead with the example. What's here? Thou, thy. This thou and thy, both the words are from the Old English. It's used for you. And here this sentence is written for the Almighty, for the God. Thou thy worldly task hast done. You have done. You have done your worldly task. What is the meaning of worldly task? Almighty is having his responsibility to feed, to nurture, to protect human lives. For that worldly task, the word is only one, worldly task. The meaning of that worldly task is a huge one. Why is it so? Not knowing. A word or a phrase for a huge one existence. Next to that, where the hours of the day are few in the Northland. Where the hours of the day, hours, this is a phrase. Hours of the day means there is a chance for sunlight minimum. Daytime is too short. Night is too long. This is the characteristic of Northland. That is explained here with the hours of the day. Hours of the day remains this. And that is why hours of the day, Northland remains very few. That is explained with metonyms. Got the idea? Next. This is little bit tough to understand, because all are noun only. Who are my friends? Who are my friends? All the Roman people. Romans. All the Roman people are my friends. And from where they are? From Rome. From where they are? They are from the countryside. આ એક વર્ડ જે છે સ્પોકન રિટન બેમાં ધ્યાન રાખજો, યાદ રાખજો. કન્ટ્રીમેન ઓર કન્ટ્રીસાઇડ એવો અર્થ, એવો વર્ડ જ્યાં પણ યુઝ થયેલો હોય એનો મીનિંગ જે છે વર્ડ ટુ વર્ડ મીનિંગ નહીં થાય. એનો મીનિંગ થાય છે ગામડીઓ. ફરી વાર કહું છું, કન્ટ્રીમેન ઓર કન્ટ્રીસાઇડ એવું કઈ લખ્યું હોય તો ગામડું, ગામડીઓ, રૂરલ એરિયા ઇન્ડિકેશન છે. My friends are with the different. From where my friends are? My friends are from the Romans. You see here, Romans indicates. Earlier we had written Indian. Here we are writing Romans, those who are living in Rome. Indication is with the one word. The meaning of that word is not the simple one, usual. Countryside men, those who are living in rural areas. These all are the characteristics of my friends. In this way, we have completed the figures of speech. Metonymy, where, what is the characteristic of this? A word or a phrase is used in a line, but the meaning of that word or the phrase is not the small one, is not what is written. It would be with the huge meaning. It indicates the large existence, That is the characteristic of metonymy. I'll give you 3 to 5 seconds to have a screenshot with the same so that you can write down it in your book.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.